Good morning to all of you. Today we are going again on the questions on the historical backgrounds of photosynthesis. So, first of all, who gave the clear picture on photosynthesis? The answer is Mayer in 1845. According to him, light energy is converted into chemical energy by green plant. According to Mayer, light energy is converted into chemical energy by green plants. Now, the second question is, what is the contribution of E.F.F. Blackman? What is the contribution of F.F. Blackman? The contribution of Blackman is that he demonstrated that photosynthesis is comprised of two phases, light phase and dark phase. He demonstrated that photosynthesis comprised of two phase, light phase and dark phase. He also proposed the law of limiting factor. Blackman is also proposed the law of limiting factor. Now, next question is, what is the contribution of Warburg? What is the Warburg in Warburg in 1905 observed that high concentration of oxygen, high oxygen concentration in the atmosphere in the presence of light to reduction in photosynthesis rate and finally inhibition of photosynthesis. So, what is the contribution? The contribution of Warburg is that he observed that the high oxygen concentration in atmosphere in the presence of light lead to the reduction of photosynthesis rate and finally inhibition of photosynthesis. He also performed flashing light flushing light experiment and conclude that light and dark phase occur independently. Now, next question is, what is the contribution of Hill in 1937 demonstrated that dry leaf powder or isolated chloroplast in the presence of light and water and a suitable hydrogen acceptor evolved oxygen without accompanying carbon dioxide fixation. So, and if you added any dye such as 2,4-dichlorophenol, indophenol or quinols, it will be reduced. So the Hill observed that dry leaf powder or isolated chloroplast in the presence of light, water and suitable hydrogen acceptor evolve oxygen without accompanying carbon dioxide fixation. He also demonstrated that certain oxidant, that quinones and dichlorophenol, indophenol is added to the medium, it will be reduced. What is the contribution of Emerson and Lewis? They discovered red drop and Emerson effect. That is in 1958. What is the contribution of Hill and Bendel? They proposed Z scheme and suggested that two photosystem operates in series. They discovered Z scheme and suggest that two photosystems occur in series. What is the contribution of Arnon? What is the contribution of Arnon? He discovered photophosphorylation. He discovered photophosphorylation. What is the contribution of Peter Michel in 1961? He proposed chemi-osmotic coupling hypothesis of phosphorylation. he proposed Thank you.